I know someone in DOT. Isang Pilipino din po siya. Siya yung nag-a-advise sa akin kung anong gagawin para ma-approve yung product ko dito sa Illinois. And it will become like an in-demand product nga. Alam mo yung mga puti, they don't wanna think outside the box. Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ito na naman tayo, pauwi na ng bahay. Ito po yung view natin palabas ng suburb. So medyo mais po sa gilid, both sides. So I thought about going to my route tomorrow to a hospital. So I wanna go have some shopping for banana cake ingredients. So Walmart lang po ang kaya natin, right? May mimili po tayo ng ibang ingredients, pero nakita ko tong mango. Naghahanap ako ng medyo matigas pa kasi mas crunchy, mas masarap. Isasasaw ng asin tsaka soy sauce. At the same time, ang hirap po maghanap ng sobrang rotten na bananas. Kasi tinatanggal pala nila yan pagka next day na parang maitim na, ayaw na ibenta. So talaga ang hirap mamimili. The reason why I wanna get some banana cake ingredients kasi bukas, bibisitahin ko, surprise ko yung mga customer ko. Magdadala tayo ng banana cake kasi ito yung pang palubag loob natin bukas para mabenta tayo. So, eto guys, good luck to me. Eto si Melo, nagnanap ako, ayaw kong pakawalan. Nahihilo pa ako sa biyahe, pero tingnan mo naman oh, talaga namang hinahanap ng paraan para lang makuha yung atensyon ko. Paiyak-iyak pa yan, pakinggan nyo. What do you want? What do you want? Mommy's napping. Can I nap? No? Why can't I nap? I wanna nap too. Hindi ko pala nakunan kagabi kung paano ko siya niluto. Pero yung recipe online na lang guys. So yan, binigyan ko sila ni Zoe. Iniwanan ko ng isa. Pero tinikman ko muna kung masarap. Baka mamaya hindi masarap. So ito si Zoe nag-drawing dyan kagabi. Pero umaga, super early guys. Nag-prepare ako ng mga goodie bags ko. Kaya punta tayo ng hospital. So maaga tayo dumating. Nasa morning huddle meeting pa yung mga customer ko. So I have to wait in the parking. Eto. Dito tayo dadaan guys sa likod ng hospital. May hospital ako ngayon. So, mayroon tayong dala-dala ang banana cake na niluto natin yesterday. Sabi ng anak ko, what's that? Are you bribing them? Itong Zoe talaga. So, antayin ko ditong may magbukas sa akin ang pinto. Kasi sinabihan ko na nandito ako sa likod. Alright guys. So, hindi tayo pwede pumunta sa harap. Andito sa likod yung mga maintenance guys ko. Okay guys, hindi ko nakunan yung interaction namin ng customer ko. Nakakatawa. Kasi, ano mga to, mga green-minded kumbaga. Alam mo naman pagka mga puro lalaki yung mag-uusap sa isang kwarto at ikaw lang nag-iisa, yung utak nila napunta sa iba. So, nakakatawa. Pero, bumenta tayo sa kanila. Yung banana cake, it works. Yeah. So, natutuwa ang mga yun pagka binibigyan sila ng mga abubot. Hindi pala abubot. Kahit na ano, yung pangpalubag-loob, kumbaga. So, ganun lang ginagawa natin. At alam nyo guys, hindi lang ako mag-isa dito. Ang daming mga rep, ang daming mga tao nandito. So, yan ay magbabacuum ng carpets. Yan, ganyan ang trabaho nila. Yung isa naman, nandun sa baba, ewan ko kung anong trabaho nun. Para siyang mayroong mga towels, rugs, pang mop yata. Para sa mga mop, mga ano niya. Then mayroong pa sa baba, marami sila. That's how it is, every day. Itong mga tao, mga decision makers, whether it's in hospital, private businesses, ang dami nilang dinideal every day. So, ikaw na rep na pumupunta, you have to make sure that you calm them down before you shoot a sale. Kasi, parang every day, that's what they're dealing with kasi. So hindi mo sila pwede yung parang ipupush tsaka i-pressure to buy what you're selling. So minsan you have to find the soft spot. Nakakausapin mo muna sila, how's their day, yung mga ganon, how's yours, what's your plan. You kind of give them a little bit insight of who you are, you know, and then they kind of know you as well. So ganyan, medyo tumagal tayo doon sa loob ng mga 20 minutes kasi nag-uusap kami, oh yeah, ganito ako, ganito, ganyan. Hindi kayo mapuwisan sa ginawa kong banana cake? If so, please let me know. You are in the hospital, bring yourself in the emergency room. Tawanan sila. And then I talk about mayroon kasi kaming product, it's a wipes na matatanggal kung anong mga stain, paint, anything na nandyan sa kamay mo, sa damit mo. So I said something like, okay, sabi ko, if you know, you work into something and you accidentally spill it in your pants, you can easily wipe it off. And I was sitting down and I touched my leg and I just like scrub my fingers and all of that, and everybody was laughing, and I'm like, I know what you're thinking. So parang mga green-minded ang mga to. So tawanan kami lahat, and I said, okay na nga, ayoko na kayong kausapin. Iba-iba naman yung mga iniisip nyo eh. Sabi nila, I like you, I like your personality. Kasi I try to, how can I say, match their energy. Kahit na sobrang sad ka, sobrang daming problema. When you come into the business, you have to leave all your stress, all your problems outside the door. Otherwise, you cannot perform your job properly. So, yan ang ginawa ko. And then when I left, and I said, hey, let me know if there's no nuts in that banana cake. So if anyone choke up, you know, it's not my fault. You guys are working in the hospital, so you can go admit yourself in the emergency room. They were laughing. So I asked them when I'm gonna come back. Sabi nila, you can come back anytime you want. You're easy to deal with. You know, most of the time they like dealing with girls rather than the guys na sales rep. Kasi yung mga rep daw na mga guys, they're very pushy at hindi sila marunong makisabay sa yung sa mundo ng buyers. They're just like, okay, if you don't buy, mga ganun, yung mga FU, or oh, you don't buy shit from me, I'm not coming back, I'm not gonna do anything for you. So pagka babae kasi medyo softer ang dating ng babae. So gusto nila yung mga babaeng rep, ganon. Oh, laundry specialty, sila ang naglilinis ng mga mop. Yun. So ito, may dadating na naman. So paalis na tayo dito kasi Medsped. Sila po yung kumukuha ng mga dirty syringes, kung ano yung mga organic na tinatapon ng mga, you know, from the offices. Ganyan sila. Yan sila. And then they're also selling some medical products. I did apply with them before. They're actually good. I like their structure, pero dahil sa wala akong experience sa sa mga medical equipments at saka medical background, hindi ako pumasa. Okay lang yan, but still I landed into about similar business. So ayan guys, we're moving to another place. Hopefully makarami tayo today. I'm working hard this week kasi I need to have like a couple thousands to catch up into my goal. So, ganyan dapat ang mentality natin. See you later. Hi guys. So, andito ako ngayon sa tapat ng isang public works. And it's still their lunch time. So, yung lunch time natin minsan shorten siya kasi I'm not used of like sitting in the restaurant. Wala tayong pambili ng, uupo tayo ng restaurant. So, drive-thru tayo parati. So, tapos na po yung lunch natin. But, the people who I'm dealing with, ay wala pa sa office nila. So, upo tayo dito. At the same time, I have some frustration kasi nga, so, nagmamas email ako sometimes. Like, imamas email ko yung isang product. At the same time, yung mga buyers ko, itatag ko siya, carbon copy. So, may isang company na malaki sila. I think they are 5 branches. nangangailangan ng isang product, pero kailangan ng sample bago nga bago mag-commit sa product na binebenta ko. Ngayon, we have a group. So, mayroon kaming team leader, mga ganyan. So, I shared na, you know what, ito na, pangatlong inquiry na to dito sa akin. Kasi, kailangan nila ng isang product na approved ng Illinois Department of Transportation. So, sabi ko, pangatlong inquiry na sa akin to. Siguro, nag-change yung requirement ng Illinois. Kaya, kailangan nila ng isang product na approved by the Department of Transportation. Sabi naman sa akin, wala tayong mga ganon. I know there is. I know there's a way. I know I can get it. Kasi itong mga businesses na to, their budget in a year is 80,000, 100,000 a year just in that single product. So, sabi ko, I know there's a way. And I know we're a distributor. If we can push the manufacturer to have their product get approved in Illinois, if I have to help, because I know someone in DOT, isang Pilipino din po siya, I know someone in DOT na siya yung nag-a-advise sa akin kung anong gagawin para ma-approve yung product ko dito sa Illinois, and it will become like an in-demand product nga. Nag-i-email ako dito, tinetext ko yung team leader ko, sabi ko, this is the third company na naghahanap ng ganitong product. Release agent ang ginagamit. Hinahanap nila, they wanna buy totes. They wanna buy totes. When you say totes, yung malakihan na, hindi lang siya yung aerosol lang, malakihan na talaga. Libo-libo na yung capital doon. Sabi sa akin, you know, wala tayong kapasidad na magtanyan. Ang maaari mo lang ibenta sa kanila is hand cleaner, ang ganito, ang kanyan. Sabi ko, napaka talaga alam mo yung mga puti, they don't wanna think outside the box. Ako yung tipong tao, maghahanap ako ng way para makuha ko yan. I know there's a way. Tamad lang sila, ayaw lang nilang ayaw lang nilang mag-spend ng extra work towards a single inquiry. Pero, ito ang sabi ko sa kanila, the whole company can benefit into what I am trying to do. Kasi pag ito ay IDOT approved, everybody will sell this. It's gonna be an IDOT approved in the entire states. Pero tamad nga lang sila, ayaw nilang gumawa. Ngayon, sabi naman itong buyer ko, pwede ba mag-try muna ng sample? Ipulubi tayo, ayaw ko naman magbigay, ayaw ko naman na bibilhin ko sa sarili ko, then ibibigay ko sa kanya. So I asked, sabi ko naman doon sa opisina, can I get a sample? Sabi na, we'll see if we can go get from the manufacturer themselves. Alam mo, kasi tayo parang hindi tayo producer ng company. Alam mo, sa company ko, merong mga milyones ang binibenta nila. Imagine ha, pag nagbenta sila ng 100 million, nagbenta sila ng 1 million. 50% of that 1 million is the profit. And out of the profit, you're getting 50% too. Magkano sahod niya? If there's money out in the line, I want to get that money. Ganyan ako kadesperado at ganyan ako kamotivated magbenta. So I'm trying to work outside the box, and I'm trying to find a way para na mabenta ko to. Kasi I walk away a lot of businesses dahil sinusunod ko yung mga suggestion nila. And I can't walk away. They are a business. It's a sale. It's a sale. Sila naman kasi parang spoon feed, yung parang gano'n na lang. Yan na lang kasi ito yung easy. Ayaw nila ng mahirap. The more you push, the more you get, the more money you have in your pocket. So frustrated ako, nakaupo ako dito and I'm sending email. And sabi ko, sabi niya, can we try a sample? Sabi ko, I'll see what I can do and I'll update you as soon as possible. Now, nag-respond kagad yung opisina and sabi, I'll check with the lab and see if they can send us a sample and I'll let you know. Okay, tingnan natin kung how soon. Alam mo yung word pag Bisaya ka, abtik balikay? Ganyan ako magtrabaho. Alam mo kung bakit? Ang mga buyers, ang mga customer, decision makers, they are impulsive. So you have to feed those impulsiveness in a matter of hours or seconds or minutes. Kasi pag ang respond mo next week, ang respond mo 2 weeks later, tapos na, nawala na sa isip nila yun, lumitaw na, wala na, lumipad na pala. So, ganyan ako. At andito na yung tao na hinahanap ko. Tinignan ako. Kilala kasi nila yung sasakyan ko. Yung sasakyan ko kasi is hindi lang siya yung parang itim, puti, gray. Sana nga gray yung sasakyan ko para na pag nag-park ako sa opisina nila, hindi ako mapansin kagad. Yung sasakyan ko blue. Kilala nila yung sasakyan ko. Dumaan sa gilid ko. Bumalik na yata from break. So kaya, pupuntahan natin. Kaya ganyan guys. Mahirap din ang trabaho ko sa totoo lang. Pero I like it at the same time. I hate it and I like it. Kasi it's fulfilling pag na-cater ko yung mga needs ng mga customers and buyers. Okay. I'll see you later.